The picture. We all know that the first impression is very important. Therefore, all posts in PMOTION must contain an image. As you can see, it appears in Google, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. Before publishing PMOTION, have the image of your publication at hand. We use standard Facebook measurements. Surely, you already have a Facebook fan page, so you must have images with these dimensions. If you don't have images with these dimensions, don't worry. There are many programs to create images. If this step seems very complicated, you can create images with PowerPoint from Microsoft. It's very simple. Open a new PowerPoint presentation, click on the Design tab, then click on the Slide Size tag, and enter width 9.5 inches, height 5.1 inch, and click Enter. That would be all. Let imagination do its magic. You may think that the images will be ugly, but no, this image was made this way. I will show you other images also made in PowerPoint. You just need a little time and let your imagination do the work. As you can see, these images are not ugly. They convey the idea of the product or service that is being shown. You could with some imagination create excellent images, or some that you already have. Once we have our image, we must save the presentation as an image file. Just click Save As. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, then change the format. We recommend JPG. Now that we have our image, we just have to optimize. Make it word for the internet. They have you the image, Google will not like it. We recommend using a free application to make our images lighter. Just go to Google and search compress image. As you can see, we mark a result. Using this application is very easy. We plug the image, click on compress, and save the compressed image. That would be all. We already have our main image of our post. The rest of the images that you want to include in your publications, you can do them in the same way, and use any size, square or rectangle. In the same way you can optimize them. Always remember to optimize your images. Image optimization is important to Google. We have an application that optimizes the images, but the more optimized the image is, the better.
PMOTION.